Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have decided that I'll start exercising again as I had typhoid for so long and I took time to recover, so I wasn't getting time and my body needed that time to recover itself. So now again I have decided to start exercising. So here I am. I'm just done with my exercise and I'm sitting down for a while so that my body temperature is equal to the outside temperature. I'm not someone who takes shower immediately. I have to sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then only I'll take shower. This kind of sweat definitely makes me feel good. Today is day 1, so let's see till how long I can do exercise, because last time I had started, I had almost completed 2 months and I suddenly had typhoid. So this time I really hope that I'm consistent with my exercises. Let's see, hopefully. After exercising, I'm done with my hot shower and I'm feeling so relaxed. I'm one of those people who prefer hot shower every time, except for the peak summertime, that is April, May and June, because even I can't stand that heat. I've realized that I haven't watched TV today, so I'll be watching TV. I'll watch some content, I'll watch something, TV show or TV series, I'll see. I have also realized that I haven't read anything from so long, so I'll think about reading something and then going back to sleep around 11:30. That is my usual time of sleeping. I cannot sleep late. I cannot. I'm one of those people who can get up early, but if someone says that be awake till 12, 1, 2, sorry, that is not my personality type, because I have ended up having very bad acidity and tiredness, the second day. So I cannot do that. Good morning, guys. I just noticed that my nail paint is spoiled, so I need to clean it, and I will, because I don't prefer these kind of chipped nail paint. Not recommended. Today is day 2 and I have exercised. I am happy that I'm at least consistent, because I've seen in my case that I'm never consistent with my exercise. Some or the other thing happens. Last time I had typhoid, so this time I really pray that I'm able to be consistent. Seriously. Day 2, well done Rashmi, I'll tap for myself. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm done with my shower. As my skin is feeling fresh, my face is washed, so I'll do the skincare right now only. Teeth brushing after having dinner, of course. So I have started using retinol. Now let it dry. Then after this, I'll moisturize my skin. It's my dinner time and here is my dinner: dal, chicken, pulao. Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm done with my lunch, everything. Now just I have time to chill and read a book. Today I'll be reading Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli. She is a YouTuber, influencer, very popular book, and I don't know how this book is. I hope I enjoy this book. Blanket and a book work so beautifully together. I'll be enjoying reading my book. Let's get started. I have just read 20 pages of it and I really find this book quite interesting. I liked Avni's perspective of Aman, like how she described it so well, that how a man looks, this and that. So it is quite correct that girls think in that manner. So yeah, Prajakta has really done a good job when it comes to capturing a girl's mind. Let's see the boys' take. I haven't read it further. Also, now I'm going to have my coffee and makhan pav. I'm wearing t-shirt and jeans. I'm going out. My earrings. लिपस्टिक को थोड़ा सा डार्क कर लेते हैं. I'll put some deodorant and I'm good to go. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I came back home and you know what I've done? Shopping! The best part and the funniest part about me is that whenever I say that I'll not do single shopping, I end up shopping more. Always. I remember saying this to mummy that I have enough clothes, but the truth is I have enough clothes, but I also do not have enough clothes. Always. I have to buy a lot of clothes. Shopping is my birthright and shopping really makes me happy. But to be honest, these are my essentials, the night suits and all, the basic top that you need. I also bought a new pillow finally because I have severe shoulder pain. I don't know the proper word to be used here. I end up having migraine because of that. I as it is have migraine, but this pain gives me so much bad headache that I'm unable to do anything and I end up puking. I end up feeling nauseatic. I end up feeling very bad and in a very bad mood, and I have to take care of this. So I decided that I'll end up buying pillow. It is such a basic thing, but I would have done it during Diwali, but I didn't get time. Did I realize that I use a lot of butts in this? Maybe. What am I doing now? I'm folding my clothes. Folding clothes is not my skill. I've learned one thing from my best friend, that if you cannot do things perfectly, then you can do things that are actually acceptable. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be acceptable. What else I'm doing? Cutting my labels, because I don't like labels, and whenever I have to wear my clothes and if I find label, that can really make me feel bad. and I don't like to see for what price did I buy my outfit. If I love it, obviously I check and keep everything, but I don't like to see the price for what I bought. I just want to forget, shop and forget. Labels, cut. This should definitely look acceptable. It is not the neatest fold, but this works for me. मैं शॉपिंग करके थक चुकी हूँ and I'm eating vegetable Maggi with omelette. According to me, vegetable Maggi and omelette is one of the best combinations to have. Highly recommended, and it's one of my favorites. Hi guys, good afternoon, and I'm back. Today I exercised in the morning itself because I'm not sure whether I'll have some evening plan or not. So I'm prepared for evening in advance. I had shower, I had hair bath, and of course whenever I wash my hair I have to feel sleepy because it's so relaxing. Now let's see how the day goes. Again I'm back with my book and I'll read this book. This book is definitely interesting. I was reading Aman's perspective, but today is that day that I'm unable to read a book. You know, there are days when you don't feel like doing anything. This book is lovely, but I'll read it some other time, maybe tomorrow or something. As it is, I have to go out, so I'll get my nails done, and my nails are done. I just need to apply my deodorant, my perfumes, and I'm good to go. Today I'm thinking of wearing sport shoes because last time I didn't have a great time with heels, so sport shoes is my savior. Good morning guys. I am eating chocolate cake early morning and I love this so much that I have to eat. Also, you would be hearing Hanuman Chalisa in background as I start my day with Hanuman Chalisa always. So good. Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Monday and obviously it's a working day. I would love to share an incident that happened yesterday and it has never happened to me before. Never. I was talking to my friend in a restaurant and we were talking about a lot of things. Like, I am a conversation kind of a person. Whenever I and my friend sits, we definitely have a lot of conversations. And a few of the topics were like being a brown skin, flying Emirates, talking about some supermodel, talking about like I'll be myself. And you know exactly what happened? That same kind of music was playing whenever I was talking about that topic with my friend, you know. Like, I remember talking about some supermodel. So, the song was playing, Yaar Tera Superstar Desi Kalakar. And I'm like, oh. I was talking about Emirates and there is some song of Badshah, I'm not sure. There was some music playing and it talked about Emirates also. And I'm like, oh, I was talking about brown skin and I exactly remember that Honey Singh's song Brown Rang was playing in the background and I'm like, okay. I also was talking about, oh, we'll become a millionaire someday, and guess what was playing in the background? Honey Singh's very famous song. That millionaire song is there now. I'm not aware of the exact name of the song, but it is quite popular. I was shocked that exactly things are happening Wait, I am maybe in short of words. Like, how could this happen? Like, whatever I'm talking about, that exactly same music is playing in the background, and I'm like, I am in sync with the universe. I accepted that. I'm quite a spiritual person, so I strongly believe that universe is always working in my favor, and I'm God's favorite child. So yesterday I got that evidence that these things could happen. It's a beautiful sign. Music is beautiful. Hi guys, I am back. After exercising, I have to sit on the floor because I sweat so much that if I sit on sofa, then my mummy will definitely scold me. So I cannot sit there. Also, there is one famous quote that is no pain, no gain. It definitely works when it comes to exercising. There are days when you don't want to do anything, you feel so lazy, but you have to keep going. Have to. Anyways, I am more into aerobics, Pilates. So, it's not that kind of painful, but yeah, I do know a lot of people who do weight training and stuff, so they literally carry a lot of weights. Maybe someday I used to do, but that didn't work well for me in the past. Also, I have learned one thing over a period of time, that you have to start embracing boredom. There are a lot of things in daily life that are so boring, but you have to keep going. Life goes on. Anyways, that's it for today's video. See you next time.